Um, what you're looking at right now is my Rainbow vacuum, air purifier, whatever it's called, the Rainbow. And what I'm going to do is, we unfortunately have a clogged garbage disposal, and the water's not going down. So what a lot of people don't realize is your traditional vacuums, bags, canisters, will never be able to do something like this. And if it did, it would only do it once before it's broke. So what I'm going to do is, let me turn this on. Okay, so what it did, it took everything that was in the sink. There was, what's going to happen is I have to cup it out one cup at a time and try to get it as much out as possible. But what happens is, when you use the Rainbow, because it uses water as a filtration system, everything that was in the sink goes right into this canister. Now I can take this, flush it down the toilet and get rid of it, dump it over the backyard, whatever you want to do to get rid of it. But now it's just less of a mess that I have to worry about undoing the pipe to try to get it unclogged. So Rainbow cleaning system works every time.